So guys, I'm here with Mr. International Philippines sa Tarlac 2025 na si Ramis. Hi Ramis.
Opo, ah,
We're doing great. So, kumusta ka naman sa as a first day ng Mr. International Philippines?
ayos naman. Medyo pagod pero sulit naman to. Sulit ang pagod.
Trying to, of course, these activities. What was your
National
last minute preparation before ka pumunta?
Gusto ko yung nasikaso namin yung national costume.
Uh-huh.
Which is Lapu-Lapu inspired din sa akin. Yung costume po yan. Masishoot namin nun.
Could you please describe how was your journey sa previous na pageant na sinalihan mo?
My journey in Mr. International Philippines Tarlac, it's great and I'm honored to represent Tarlac province for this coming pageant. It's preliminaries 17, then July 20. I'm excited for that competition.
Of course, syempre, before ka sumabak dito sa national pageants,
Just
you undergo some training. So, is it
yes,
ongoing pa din ba ngayon?
ongoing pa din naman. Pasarela and Q&A.
Saan ka mismo nagpo-focus sa dalawa? Alin?
For me, Q&A. So,
Q&A.
yeah.
Who trained you for your Q&A?
Sometimes Sir Azar and my mentor, Enzo Campo.
Kamusta? If you will rate your trainings from 1 to 10, alin ka na doon?
For me, I'm maybe 8. I mean,
8 pa.
confident with that. But more on, i-again ko pa yung mga Q&A para mas ready ako sa competition. And it's close the interview.
You have improved a lot, especially your physical. So, ano yung mga sekretong ginawa mo?
Sa physical health ko, nag-diet ako, breast and chicken and egg lang yung main protein ko, then gulay, then some rice. Basta naka-maintain lang po. So, that's naman.
Mga isang cup na rice. Mga
Yeah, isang cup na rice. Pero formula din naman po ako. Pero kaya naman. Then, I prepared also my mental health and always have a positive mind for this competition.
Do you take some whey protein para maging solid yung
No, I'm all natural.
natural?
Yeah,
No? Nice. So,
Pero lang, mas kinukuha ko yung protein sa, dinadagdag ako sa breast, chicken, and egg.
for how many months mo bago ma-achieve yung ganyang katawan?
This is 2 months. When I get.
So, breast.
I gym now,
buong
pero
katawan.
this, when I get in 2 months.
2 months
now,
talaga.
yeah.
So, no more rice or siguro mga konting rice lang.
Pero, yung last kong kalaban ng Mr. International Tarlac, maganda yung katawan niya. Then, tinuro niya ako kung paano yung preparation sa meal plan. So, thank you to Joseph. Patrick Joseph. Yeah.
Ayun. So, thank you so much, Ramis, and best of luck sa journey mo dito.
Thank you po.